Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys a saucy weekly outlook. So let's get right into the video. Now first starting off with GU, right? So GU this week, we are currently inside of a breaker. So you see from this swing high to this swing low, there's a breaker right inside of here. That ran stops here, and then it broke down. You see how aggressively it broke down. Okay, so currently last week we were playing inside of this breaker, but now we have came up into a better premium of this breaker inside of this hidden base right here. So basically, if you scale down to a lower time frame, it would be like a order block right inside of there. Basically, it came up into that today. Now I was looking for that, even though we tapped into it last week right here. I was looking for this run up right here, because if you look at if you think of the power ICT's power of 3, okay, weekly open prices here. If I want to be bearish, I would like to see a run up first, or it could run down, create a move down, and then create a move up, right, and then reverse. But this is really what I wanted to see right here. Okay, so it came into this area, and now is rejected, and it's currently hovering below weekly open price. So I don't know if today, Monday, created the high of the week. If you look on the economic calendar, we do have Tuesday, we have a little bit of news. I don't know how important this is, but you can see it's high impact news, so it's going to give some movement for Tuesday. But Wednesday you have GDP reports, and that might create the high or low of the week. So I don't know if this news event might create the low of the week, or push up higher, you know what I mean, and take out this high right here. But this could be the weekly high is already established right there, and our objective would be, let's see, our objective would be, so you can see how the weekly candle already went bearish. You can see we came up higher, took out last week's high, and now we're pushing lower. So our objective could be these lows for this week, possibly, you know what I mean. Yeah, but we'll see. What I am looking at though for tomorrow's news that comes out Tuesday for tomorrow, that's around like the London session, an hour before London open. I would like to see price actually come up. It's gonna hover right here, and then it might hover right here, then come up during Asian session, range a little bit, create some liquidity, and then run up here, come into this refined order block, which is kind of like the mean threshold of this bullish right here, this bearish order block right here, this up candle, and then there might be a move inside of here that I would potentially like to take, especially since this is so you can see how we took out liquidity here. Oh, hold on, let me do this real quick. So we took out highs right here. Okay, we took out highs, so this was our liquidity stop hunt, right? Aggressive rundown. We came back. I did see sells today, but I didn't want to trade today because I wanted a little bit of more market data. And you can see how we came back after we ran out this high. This was our open, so power of 3, right? This was our open, right? Our daily open, which is our weekly open right now, since this is Monday, and ran up, took out stops, and it trended back to weekly open right here. So once I saw this run up, I kind of seen this coming down, you know what I mean? I'm coming off of this and then run it down and close it bearish, right? Excuse me, I'm sorry, I'm over here burping on the mic. But yeah, it closed bearish, and now I want to see it possibly come up during London. But I might risk half here, because a better sell would be right above here at this protected high that I'm assuming, because this is what I assume is the high of the week right now, until more data opens up, and then you know what I'm saying. If price does run up above here on Wednesday, then I will think this is the high of the week, and then we might start going back bearishly for Thursday and Friday to close, potentially. Or we could continue, right? Monday's high of the week, continue down, and this week will close right below all of this liquidity right here. So yeah, we'll see what happens. You know what I mean? We'll see what happens. You can see how we did have this trend line right here, and we broke that, and you know, now we might will this isn't retail concepts, but this shows you like the shift, right? And then we might have a retest right here to continue back down if you're looking at it on a retail standpoint. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right there. You got some I'm putting on some support and resistance on y'all real quick, but you know, you got resistance right here with the trend line. Got the fib, you know what I mean, if you want to have a retail you know, approach to it. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right there to potentially come back. It might run this, you know, and this would be like a full risk sell, but I might risk half here, because like if you look at it, right, we ran out stops here, okay, and then we came lower. If the it ranges right here, and you got ranges right here during Asian, and then as soon as that news drop, it starts coming up, I know that's gonna be a good sell. Risk half, you know, risk half, and then it'll be a nice sell all the way down. You could put your sell limit possibly somewhere right here if you want to get the maximum, the most extreme. And then target would be the weekly open, the new open, right? So the next open will probably be here, power of 3, come up, and then target this low right here. You could target this low, take out a good amount of partials, and then, you know, let it run. You could let it run to these lows down here until Wednesday, where news drops, you know what I mean, because it might completely reverse. So, you know, we'll see what happens with that, right? I should have did DXY first. DXY is currently at a very high premium range. You can see our weekly open price was here, and it's coming back up inside of this higher time frame, bearish order block, higher time frame, you know, premium array, right? So we're currently reacting off of that. Even though this is pretty bullish, which is why GU has been going down, I am kind of bearish on DXY, but I still think DXY can run these highs here and run this high here. You know what I mean? It can be likely, but if you got a bearish bias, you can aim there's some imbalance right here to fill right inside of here for it to come down and fill. For this weekly candle, we could be getting our pump up right now and then come down. That's what I'm saying. So GU could, you know what I'm saying, start going back bullish, you know what I mean? So you gotta wait for more data, but it might be a good sell for GU tomorrow, and then Wednesday might be the sell that might happen, because this might start continue down. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? We'll see what happens tomorrow for GU. Let me see, 4-hour weekly open price here, imbalance inside of here. This would be a nice area to buy at if price does come down here, right down here. This would be a good area to buy at, you know. I mean, you wouldn't buy DXY, but you would be kind of bullish on the dollar. You do have this higher time frame daily bullish order block as well, so this is a nice area. You know, it's at a premium, but this would be a discount inside of, well, actually, if you measure this range from here to here, premium discount, your discount would be down here. But yeah, on a lower time frame, it might be a discount inside of a premium. Yeah, so if you measure this leg to this leg, this is a discount for this relative time frame, right? You know what I mean? So yeah. All right, let's go to US 30. All right, so US 30 is so I did a zoom with my fam, you know what I mean? I did a zoom with them, and this is what I saw happening right here. This is what I saw happening. It played out. This was my analysis. My friend Dinaj, he had the same analysis, which is really good as well. But this is what I was looking for it to happen. Now, what I do want to see is price to come up and let me draw it out. Maybe come up, you know what I'm saying? I would like to see this break first. Okay, hold on, let me see. 30-minute. Let me delete all of this real quick. Actually, no. I already got my structure break right here. The 1 hour, this whole swing is like your 1 hour swing. So this would be a better wait. This would be better to wait to break, right? Even though you have this minor structure break right here, and it might create like equal lows. I'm trying to fix this. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, I'm over here thinking that's a trend line. Yeah, this would probably be a better structure break to wait on for the break and then come up into a discount. But you know, you could count this as a structure break. But if you want to be more, you know, patient, if you're more of a patient trader, you'll wait for this break to be more clear on this hourly being having a, you know, break a market structure shift, right? You know what I mean? So yeah, we'll see what happens. I do want to see, I was drawing it out, my fault, guys. I want to see price do something like this. Okay, you have all this imbalance inside of here, come up and then possibly continue back down, you know what I mean? But like I was telling them on the Zoom, I'm kind of bullish still at the same time, because we did come and take out this low inside of this discount array, and we're pushing up, but we came into an area of, you know, where the sales can come in and structure can continue downwards, you know what I mean? And this is kind of like a protected high right now, you know what I'm saying? Even though we didn't close below this, we did come and take this out. So yeah, we'll see what happens right here, you know what I mean? I would like to see something happen. Once say it comes up inside of here, I would like to see something happen. You know, I want to see time align as well, you know what I'm saying? And whatever Asian range does, you know what I mean? And I'll end up, New York and whatever Asian range does, and then whatever London does, and then I'll wait for New York to possibly take a entry on US 30. Same thing with S&P as well, because they're kind of correlated right now. Okay, so let's look at gold real quick. With gold right now, we came into this area. So last week I was looking for these highs to stay protected right here, but you can see last week Friday we ran up above that and we took out this. So this could be like your inducement right here, and we're still inside. All of this is just a complex pullback inside of here, but at the same time I do see a market maker buy model. This is your ICT's market maker buy model. This is your market your buy model reversal, right? This is the reversal, right? Low risk buy, whatever. And then you got some accumulation right here, and we could start going higher, and this is where trend can shift. But you don't know that this could probably be the end of it right here, and it came and took this out right here. This could be the end of the consolidation to be taken out, and we could start shifting back bearish. Now right here I was looking at this as a protected low, and we did come into here, you know what I mean? But what I do want to see is us possibly run this low one more time, possibly, and then maybe start looking for buys. But I'll be bearish, completely bearish, once we take out this low here. I'll be completely bearish to really sell gold. But right here you can get buys to probably possibly sell back up to here. Or, you know, if you're completely bullish, you know, you can aim for this high and this high, you know what I mean? But to be safe, I'll get out around, you know, these highs right here. But, you know, you can aim for this high, which I probably might aim for this high if I do get buys tomorrow. So we'll see what happens during New York session. And I do want to see what DXY does at the same time. But yeah, that's it. I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly outlook. I'm sorry if it's a little, you know, the commentary isn't that good, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button, go ahead and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.